Little Benny, barely 3, round black glasses, perfectly Scout's uniform, a tad too big, but Benny's heart, oh what a jig. He walks the park, a tiny stride, green vest puff with explorer's pride, with every step a gentle word, buzzing bees and chirping bird. Morning squirrel with bushy tail, did you find some nuts that won't ever fail to fill your tummy round and tight? Share one with me if it feels right. He walks the park, a tiny stride, green vest puff with explorer's pride, with every step a gentle word, buzzing bees and chirping birds.